Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you a quick walk round and a walk through my garden. It's Monday 14th of March and it is 3:15. As you can see here, there's a little bit of weeding and that. I've got some hollyhocks going there, need digging up and transplanting. And then as you can see down here, this hedge needs a good trim. Should have a quick walk round. This is my fuchsia. This always flowers really nicely. I'm going to take some cuttings off this year. That'll be nice. As we come round here, shut the gate, folks. My daylilies here, beautiful. This is my perennial geranium with a little bit of weeds in there, and some more hollyhocks here. I don't know if you can just see there, caterpillar damage. Come round here, I've got any poppies. Look at my poppies here, I'm not very pleased about that. Look at that, slug and snail damage. And down here, my hollyhock, another one, with all that caterpillar damage. I don't know if I can see any of the caterpillars in there. You know, you get them further down. So I just take this off. Just have a look down there. No, nothing down there. Oh, you get them on the leaves. You want to try and keep safe, so what they do is they go right to the bottom and try to keep out of the way, but no, nothing there. My primulas we have here, and some more daylilies. These flower absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my lupins. Yep, that is one of my lupins. Here we have a nice poppy. Here's one that's been absolutely hammered by some slugs and snails. A nice poppy there as well. Just come round here with my beautiful primulas. Look at the flowers on those. And then we have this beautiful one here. The flowers on that are absolutely divine. Some pinks here, carnations. Even though it's called a pink, it flowers beautiful white flowers on that. You see, I'm going to dig this up. Dig that up and put it into my greenhouse. I'll come down here. This is my bleeding heart. I thought this actually died. This is a white one, white variety, which never does very well. So if it doesn't do very well this year, I'm going to dig it up, put it in a pot and see if I can get it to grow a little bit better. Another lupin here. This flowers, I think it's purple and white, this one flowers. And then as we come round, Japanese anemones all there, through there. Then we have a beautiful, the flowers on this are absolutely gorgeous. This is a peony there. Some good old-fashioned daffodils. This is an aqualegia, looking nice. Some more aqualegias there. You have some delphiniums. I've been going from seed those. I could dig that up and divide it as well. Some black-eyed Susans. And then we come down here. Bird feeders. So we love it. And then we have this peony there, which is the scent on that is absolutely divine. We have a climber, just growing up there. I don't know if you see the new shoots there. So that should be nice, like clematis with some ivy. And then just walk across the grass here, just with the border. We have an old-fashioned peony here. And if you just see the size of those, absolutely divine. Some more daylilies. That is a oriental poppy. We have some daffodils just opening. Some more aqualegias. That oriental poppy called Diane Joyce, after one of my followers, which is really nice. Come down here, we have another bleeding heart. This one is a pink white one. Crocuses there. And we come down here, we have another poppy there. That one seems to have taken alright. Another one there. As we come along, we have a beautiful delphinium that's been grown from seed. That should be nice this year. Another poppy, that's a Papaver somniferum, that one. The opium poppy. Come around here, another delphinium there, and beautiful peony, lupin, sorry, that's been grown from seed. There we have Dicentra, bleeding heart, the Latin. Some bearded irises here, which I'm going to dig up and divide, salt them if I can. And this definitely is treating this, because look at this. Caterpillar damage. This was found a few days ago. You don't need many caterpillars to cause that sort of damage. Then we have, look at the damage there, slugs and snails. That's another primula. Then we have another lupin here. That's going to be a really nice bushy plant this year. Some more bearded irises. These are also, these are called Lucifer, these, Procosmia. Just come round here like so. Here we have, this is a beautiful bright red with a tinge of white in it. So this should be really nice. That's a penstemon, that's a hybrid. And I have basically a native one here, this is a lighter purple. I'm going to cut that one right back because that's got some lovely primulas around it. So we come round some more. Here we have, these are absolutely gorgeous, absolutely brilliant, absolutely love these. There's some beautiful agapanthus. These are called Queen Mum, these ones. This needs divided into 2 or 3, this one. And these are high-born hybrids. These have been grown from seed, these. So those, and that one there. Can't wait till they flower, hopefully this year. We come round. There's my clematis climbing. Bleeding heart there again. Delphinia, Aquilegia there. Some more Aquilegias on the bottom. And here we go, my clematis here. This one has got beautiful, beautiful fat flower pods all the way to the top. Just come around here. Here we have, it's my silver birch that I'm going to plant in the garden in a few more weeks. These beautiful daffodils here, actually scented, that's divine those. We have some tulips, and then we have, here we have my agapanthus. They've all been grown from seed. Some agapanthus down there, one there, some more agapanthus there that are going to come back nicely. And then we have some peony in pots. See the new shoots there. Foxglove, and that's about it. I don't know if you can just see around there. If you've got any questions about anything growing in the garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe, please look after yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, bye.